Hello, this is Hari Swaminathan from OptionTiger.com, and in this video, we're going to study the volume indicator. Volume is often an underrated indicator, and in this one, we saw a clear we saw a clear indication of what volume did. And we're looking at the Google charts. This is a 3-month chart. And you can see that, all through the last few weeks, the volume of Google was less than 2 million shares a day. But suddenly, if you noticed on the 20th of September, this volume spiked. So, and then, the corresponding bar is right here. Now, why did this spike? This tells you something. This tells you that day the smart money was active. Now, you can see here there's a high spike, but that is after earnings. But here there is no earnings. There's nothing. On an earnings day, you would expect to see high volume. But here you can see the volume doubled to over 4 million shares. So, and if you look at the bar, the bar is very small. So the range of the bar that day was very small. And even though it's an up bar, you can see it's green, but if you look at this volume and the range of the bar, um, even though there was such high volume, the price did not move up by much because it's a very small range bar. So this, if you were looking at this bar that day, you were wondering whether this is buying or selling. But if it was buying, they would have been able to move the prices much higher. But they were not. And therefore, you have to conclude that it is selling. And you can see, sure enough, from the next day onwards, Google has been down. So we took a trade in our trading idea service. We took a bearish trade on Google. And this is a very clear indicator that, Google's got some resistance right here. So this is how you would use volume. Of course, volume, when everything is normal, you won't be able to read much. But when you see something extraordinary like this, it's definitely telling you something. And so here we took a bearish trade in the next couple of days, and we're still riding that bearish trend on our trading ideas service. So if you have any questions, please refer to the trading ideas service. This is how we pick trades there. Thanks.